Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or always show the home button on the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser window here. Just go ahead and left click on that, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select the Appearance option. And then underneath appearance on the right versus show home button, toggle that one time and it should turn on the home button up here in our top address bar. So if you want to disable that, you can just toggle to the off position and you can select what you want your home button to lead to. So if you have a custom web address, you can select that as opposed to the default new tab page that would launch. So you can enter in, let's say google.com wants to be your default home button there. So pretty straightforward on that, guys. So if we went to like Wikipedia, for example, and then we selected the home button, it should take us right back to Google. So pretty straightforward. Do I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.